Okay, for page 5 of your packet, we're going to be calculating slope given 2 points. So we're going to have x1, y1, and x2, y2. And the formula for this is you're going to have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This will give us our slope. We put it right up here. Our slope, so it's y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And it really does help me to actually label these. So this is going to be x1, y1, x2, y2. Then I'll have 11, because that's my y2, minus 5, my y1, over 10, which is my x2, minus my x1, which is 3. So 11 minus 5 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 7. So my slope is 6/7. And if I think about it, if I make a triangle to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we went over to the right 7. And from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we went up 6. So my delta y over my delta x is 6/7. So I'm able to verify it with the graph. Number 2, I'm going to label the points first. So x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1. So y2, which is 6, minus y1, which is 2, over 2 minus x1, so 10 minus 2. So then I get 4/8, which reduces to 1/2. So that's my slope. And if I verify it, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right 8. And from here, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, up 4. The next one, I have my y. Let's label these. So this is going to be x1, y1, x2, y2. So my delta y over my delta x is y2, which is -3, minus y1, which is 7, over x2, which is 5, minus y1, which is a -5. So this then turns into -10/10, which is -1. So my slope is -1. Problem. x1, y1, x2, y2. So my delta y over my delta x, -1 minus 5 over 5 minus a -7. Put it in your calculator, you wind up with -6/12, which reduces down to -1/2. So my slope is -1/2. The next page. Just going to help set them up. So we can call, it doesn't matter which one you do. So this is x1, y1, and x2, y2 equals 1/3. I need to see all the work. The next one, I use, this is my x1, my y1. This is my x2, my y2. That for my slope is 5 over 2. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. 7 minus 1 over 4 minus 1. I'll have 0 minus 8 over 3 minus 1. Negative 2 minus negative 8. So I did negative 2 minus negative 8. So now you need to put in those. Next one is negative 6 minus a negative 3. Negative 6 minus negative 3 over this one minus this one. You should get negative 1/4, 2, negative 4, and 2 going upwards.